So guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can migrate your WordPress website from one hosting to another hosting without needing to pay for expensive plugin, or you have to pay for the migration fee. So you just have to watch this video from beginning to end, because this particular website, homeremedyexpert.com, so I'm going to migrate it to a complete hosting platform. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end. So without wasting much of time, let me quickly show you the reason why I want to migrate this website from this current hosting I'm using to another one. So this website is currently hosted by Cloud. So Cloud is a hosting platform. So I've been using this particular hosting platform for the past 1 year now, and I really like the platform. You know, they offer a good hosting platform because I have not experienced any downtime throughout my using of this particular hosting platform, and the customer care are much responsive. You can just send them a message and they will respond and be able to solve any question, any query, any problem you have. But the reason why I'm migrating my website out of Cloud is the fact that if you check, let me go to my dashboard. So this is my dashboard of Cloud. As you can see, I have to pay a banner fee of $237, which is 2 years. So, and if you check the hash disk space, I only use just 642 megabytes out of 20,000. So that implies that I'm using fracture, like small portion of the total allocated space available on this platform. So it's more advisable for someone that have a big website. So you have a big website that getting a lot of traffic and a lot of ideas, probably an e-commerce website. So that is the major reason why I'm trying to migrate to a shared hosting on Namecheap. So Namecheap is one of their best competitor, but Namecheap I will recommend for someone that are just starting a website. They don't have huge amount of money to invest in their hosting platform. So right now I'm going to buy this particular hosting platform, which is $2.18 per month, to be able to migrate this from Cloud to Namecheap. So right now what we are going to do, the first step to be able to migrate our website out of Cloud is to go to the dashboard of this homeremedyexpert.com. So you go to the dashboard, then you go over to plugin to be able to add a plugin for also back up the website. So it's try to load up, then you search in the search bar. We are going to search for a particular plugin called search for all-in-one WP. So it's going to load up all-in-one WP migration. So this is the plugin we are going to install first before we actually do anything to the hosting. So we are going to install the web plugin. So this plugin allows us to back up our website and be able to restore it whenever we want to migrate to another hosting platform. So I'm trying to install it right now. So we have successfully installed this plugin on our website. So the next step we have to do is just locate the plugin. So we are going to locate all-in-one WP migration. Then we have to create a backup for our website. So we are going to click on backup. So this plugin will allow us to create a backup for the entire data on our website. So we are going to click on create a backup. So it's going to export every data on our website and create it in a form of a file, so that we'll be able to download it to our computer. Then, you know, it's creating a backup. Now I'm going to pause this video because if I should allow it to back up an entire website, it's going to take a little bit. So I'll continue the video after I've successfully backed it up. So after waiting for some minutes, the plugin has actually backed up our website. So I'm going to click on download this. So the file is going to be downloaded onto our computer. So when this file is downloading, so the next thing you have to do is actually to go to namecheap.com, because we are going to use shared hosting on Namecheap. This shared hosting allows us to buy a very cheap hosting at the rate of $2.18 per month. So I'm going to drop all this link inside the description if you want to buy your hosting from Namecheap, or if you want to buy it from Cloud. So you are going to check it out inside the description below. So we have to click on get started to be able to buy this particular hosting plan. So it's try to load up. So after we have clicked on that, you know, you have to choose our existing domain name, because our domain name do exist. So this is our domain name. So we are going to click on it. We are going to copy this our existing domain name, then come over to Namecheap. Your domain name from Namecheap, no, we are using third-party domain name because it's not hosted on Namecheap. So we are going to paste the domain name over here. Try to remove the www. So let me try to remove the www. So this is the domain name, healthremedyexpert.com. So I'm trying to find the information about the website. So because if we don't link any domain name, you are not going to buy a hosting on Namecheap. So it's loading up. So we are going to click on connect to the hosting. So we are successfully connect the hosting. The next thing is to add this particular domain name to, the hosting plan to cart to be able to buy it from Namecheap. I know I'm going to drop all the links inside the description if you want to buy your hosting platform from Namecheap. Though you are going to get a coupon code using the affiliate link I'm going to drop inside the description. So the next thing is to confirm the order. We are going to confirm the order. So it's loading up. So, and we are going to choose our payment method. Namecheap actually have different payment method. They have you can pay with PayPal, you can pay with your credit card, and every information you actually want. So I'm going to click on agree the terms and conditions, then pay now. So I'm going to pay now to be able to get our hosting from Namecheap and try to link it everything to Namecheap. So it's trying to load up to be able to confirm the payment. So we have successfully purchased our domain, our hosting from Namecheap. So the next step is actually to point this domain name to the new hosting we actually buy. You know, our website is currently on this old website, which is WordPress, like from Chemicloud. So we are going to delink this website and point it to the new hosting we actually bought right now. So right now, for us to do that, we have to change the name server. So like I'm hosting this particular website is hosted by the domain registrar. So I'm using PumpBunk for all my domain registration. So I have to block this information now because I'll try much as possible to host most of my domain name on PumpBunk. Because if you check, let's try to do a simple comparison between PumpBunk and Namecheap. So right now, you are going to get your domain name for the first year at $9.73 per year and renew at the same price. Why? If you get your domain name from Namecheap, you'll be paid $9.95 per year, and if you want to renew, you renew at rate of 13.98. Why? Meanwhile, if you get your domain name from PumpBunk, you are going to save up to $5. And if you have up to 10 or 15 domain name, you end up saving $5 on each domain name you actually buy with PumpBunk. So I'm going to drop the link inside the description below to actually check it. It's going to be the first link inside the description. So right now we are going to point our domain name to the new hosting. So for us to do that, we are going to go back to namecheap.com to be able to find the name server. So let's try to find the name server over here. So let's click on manage. I think manage. So I'm trying to find the name server so that I'll be able to update it. So like, due to the fact that this particular domain name is not hosted on Namecheap, so we can't really find the name server. So the option we have is actually to go back and search for the name server on the platform. So we can certainly search for name server, So name server, then click on search. So it's going to give us information about Namecheap name server and update it instantly. So it's trying to load up some information about the name server of Namecheap. So over here, okay, how to change DNS for a domain name. So let's click on this troubleshoot to be able to copy the name server of Namecheap. So like this is the instruction we have to follow, and the name server, the basic name server for Namecheap, or like the name server for this the web hosting DNS. So this is the DNS of the Namecheap. So let's copy it. So we are going to copy this first one, which is Namecheap web hosting DNS. So let's copy this web hosting DNS. So let's copy. Then we are going back to PumpBunk to be able to update our name server. So like, let's try to locate the hosting we are using. So over here, this is the hosting we are trying to update, which is ltremedyexpert.com. So like, we are going to click on the details to be able to show the details about the hosting. So let's click on details. So let's scroll down a little bit. So this is detail about the hosting. So, and we have 4 records. So let's click on update to be able to edit this name server. So we are going to click on it. It's loading up. So these are the name server over here. So I think we can delete it. So let's delete all the records. Let's delete all the records. Delete. So also delete. Also delete. So like, we are going to update my name servers. Let's click on update my name server. So once again, we are going to click on edit to be able to edit this particular record. So these are the record that we have already. So we are going to modify this record. So let's go back to Namecheap. So Namecheap. So we are going to copy this first record. Copy. come over here, then paste this record. Also try to copy the second A record. So copy again, come over to pop bunk, then put a space, then paste, then submit again. So it's going to update and be able to link up our website. So I think there is this record that is giving us issue. So we can actually delete this record. Okay, the record is not there anymore. So right now we are going to wait for some minutes, probably some hours, to allow this domain name to point into this new hosting we actually link up. So guys, after waiting for some hours, the domain name has now pointed correctly to Namecheap hosting. So the next thing we have to do is to ensure to install a WordPress website on this particular domain name. So we are going to go back to your cPanel, to your Namecheap dashboard. So we are going to locate cPanel. On cPanel, you can actually click on manage or go to cPanel straight off. So we are going to go to cPanel straight off. So it's trying to load up right away. It's trying to load up. So in our cPanel, we have to ensure we install a WordPress software on this cPanel. So let's try to locate WordPress. So this is WordPress managed by Soft Calculus. So we are going to click on it to be able to install a fresh WordPress website. So we are going to click on install a WordPress. So it's trying to load up. Then over here, there are two information that is very important. So there are two information that is very important. I'm trying to scroll down. So we are going to consider if we are using www or with HTTPS or without HTTPS. So let's try to check our website. So as you can see, we are using https:/www.com. So let's go back to our installation. Then we check and choose https:/www.com, because if you choose the wrong part, you will have issue with installing your new website. So over here, we are going to choose, you are supposed to choose the admin. So like password, you can choose any password you actually want. It doesn't mean, so you are going to choose any password you want. So over here also, we are going to choose a password. So let me try to choose a password. So I've choose a password. So the next thing I have to do is just to install this particular installation. So I'm going to click on install now. I don't really need, so it's telling me that the password should be greater than, okay, I have to go back and choose the password. It seems that I have to add more information about the password. So over here, let me go back and be able to install the word. So I'm going to install. So as you can see, we are installing WordPress on this new domain name. So we are installing WordPress. So it's going to take a while for the WordPress to install successfully. So it's installing right now. Within some minutes, you should be able to install. So this is the installation we have done on our website. And if you check the website right now, you see that we have a new installation on this website, which is Hello World. So right now we are going to log in to this website to be able to migrate to export the file we downloaded at the beginning of this video. So we are going to click on this particular link, so to be able to log into our website. So as you can see, we have successfully logged into the dashboard of the new hosting. So right now, the next thing we have to do is to locate plugin, then add a new plugin. So, and if you find great value in this content I've tried to do today, please kindly like this video, because by liking this video, it makes this video go viral on YouTube. So also, we are going to search for the plugin we added in the last video. So we are going to click on all-in-one WP migration. So this plugin allows to back up our website and install it whenever we need it. So we are going to install this particular plugin. We are going to click on install, then activate the plugin. So now that we have successfully installed this plugin, so what we are going to do is to actually locate the plugin and be able to install. So we are going to click on all-in-one WP migration. So we are going to import the file we downloaded. So we are going to import the file. So as you can see, we have maximum upload of 1 gig. Peradventure, if your file is more than 1 gig, you have to download a particular extension that I'm going to drop in the description. So this extension allows you to import more than 1 gig file. So if your website file is more than 1 gig, you should be able to import it without any issue. So right now, let's try to import the file we downloaded. I'm going to import the file inside my computer. So let me try to locate the file inside my downloaded file. So I'm going to locate the file. I think this should be the file I downloaded in the previous video. So the megabyte is 385 megabytes. So let me click on it and be able to install our website back. So right now this file is going to be uploaded on this our new website, and we should be able to restore our website back. So I'm going to pause this video because it's going to take a while for this file to be able to upload successfully. So after the file has uploaded successfully, then I will now continue this video. So like for the meantime, let me pause this video. So the file is about to be uploaded successfully, so remaining some percentage. I'll purposely continue these videos to show you how we are going to migrate our full website. So 100% right now. So it's going to redirect us to be able to complete the migration. So it's going to take a while for the file to be uploaded. So right now it's going to import all the data. So we are going to click on proceed. So it's going to overwrite the current website we have and actually complete the installation within some minutes. So it's trying to load up right away. So right now we have successfully imported our website. So let's click on save or finish rather. So right now, if you check our website, we should be able to see our live website. So let's check Home Remedy Expert. So we are supposed to see the original website we showed you in the beginning of this video. So I'm going to log in with the old information that is saved on my laptop. So with the information, I'll be able to save everything concerning the website. It's loading up. So as you can see, all the plugin, all the information that we have on the old website is actually here. So the next thing you have to do is to go to settings. We are going to locate settings, then go to permalink. So we are going to save our permalink 3 or 4 times. So our permalink is post name, so we are going to save it 2 times. So save. So also we are going to save it again. So the purpose of saving it to be able to ensure that every information about our website is much accurate. So let's go back and check the home page of our website, Home Remedy Expert, to see that every information we have are actually like the same, like that of the old website. So as you can see, the home page is working like let's click on the article to see if it is actually working. So as you can see, everything is working right now. So but I have very important information. So concerning migrating your website, so let's go back to import. So there are sometimes your website might be more than 1 gig file. So I'm going to drop a particular plugin extension, like this particular all-in-one WP migration extension. So this extension allows you to import more than 1 gig file. So ensure to check it out, to download the plugin and be able to install it and have higher space of importing. So right now, I think we are good to go. We don't have anything to do. So I hope you find great value in this content, because I take most of my time to make this content. If you like this kind of content, I will encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channels. So by subscribing, you are going to get latest updates about making money online and content that is going to help you one way or the other. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.